Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. Today's Dollar Tree DIY is this beautiful Zen Succulent garden. So I have this contact paper from the Dollar Tree and it's the dark wood look. And I also have this box that I got for free at Aldi grocery store. So I decided to go ahead and use this faux wood contact paper to wrap this box and give it a dark wood look. And I think the dark wood just matches better with the Zen garden look that I'm going for. So I just go ahead and apply the contact paper to the box. So now I'm just filling the bottom with some free tissue paper that I got from some items I bought, and they wrapped it with the tissue and just flattened it out just to give it some depth. So now I'm adding these rocks from the Dollar Tree, these stones. I used about 2.5 bags. And now I have this green moss, and I'm just kind of spreading just a little bit throughout the rocks because I still want to see the rocks. So I picked up these Buddha statues from the Dollar Tree a couple of weeks back. I hauled them and these were just perfect. I was just looking for these forever since they came out, and this is what I wanted to do with them. So I also have this 2-pack of these green candles that I hauled from Dollar Tree a while back. And just recently I picked up these really cute bamboo, these faux bamboo plants that I thought would be perfect for this Zen Buddha succulent garden. So also this little cactus here, and I'm going to leave my haul linked if you missed that, where I picked up all these items. So that was just a little container I found at Dollar Tree. It says blessings, count your blessings. So I'm using that for my sage, and I'm just going to go ahead and just continue adding these beautiful succulents throughout. I also picked up this bamboo wind chime from the Dollar Tree, and I just cut them off the strings and added them right there in the back. And now I'm adding some more beautiful succulents, and these are just these decorative balls from the Dollar Tree as well. And the last step, I'm just using these beautiful green pebbles, and I'm just filling the center of those Buddha statues. And here you have this beautiful Zen succulent garden. I think it came out absolutely beautiful. There's my little sage in the little pot there, and I just love it. It's just so zen and peaceful for my craft room slash zen room that you guys hear me talking about. So I just love it. I hope you guys love it. If you did, please give me that thumbs up. Go ahead and share the video. Leave me a comment about this beautiful zen garden. And also, if you're new, please hit that subscribe button so you can catch more DIY videos. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you guys really soon in the next video.